The project kickoff meeting should be set up after the approval of the project plan. The sponsor should set up the meeting, and the meeting should include the stakeholders, the sponsor, and the project team. The project kickoff meeting is much more than a meeting that simply declares the start of a project and shouldn't be underestimated in importance. The meeting accomplishes quite a few different important functions for the project. First, the meeting allows the team members to formally begin work on the project. Second, as the responsibilities of the team are outlined in front of the sponsors, it creates accountability. Third, everyone gets a chance to go over the project descriptions, methods, goals, and objectives. 4. The project charter and the scope is discussed, which allows the project manager to maintain the direction and to defend against possible change requests. The project sponsor should sign the charter. The key stakeholders should sign the project scope. This sets up a verification possibility that everyone has understood what has been discussed.